Today I have for you the breakdown of the Tempest 120p pedal drive system. Pretty simple design, easy to work on. I'll start from the top here. You have your main drive gear. You do not have to take that off to grease. You can take these 4 screws out. They come out very easy. You can lube that O-ring as well. Here we have the main shaft. One gear on the bottom, one gear on the top. This is the bottom seal to that. This one has a rubber seal, the upper one does not. Then you have your prop drive. I thought there was more gears in this shaft, but there's not. You just have the single gear here, meshes with that gear. This gear meshes with that gear. Pretty simple design, easy to work on. The biggest thing I changed is using bearing grease, high-speed wheel bearing grease. And then I fill this whole thing with rear differential fluid, 75W or 80W, it doesn't matter, either one works. I've tried them both. And since I've used that, it smoothed it right out. When I opened it up, I almost cringed at the lack of grease they actually had on it. It was white lithium grease. The reason I tore it apart, these screws, this one here, this one here, backed out, causing this shaft to start jumping on that gear. And the weird part was it only did it in reverse. The forward was working perfectly fine. The reverse was making a lot of noise. So make sure you Loctite your screws. Something you might want to check every once in a while. It's pretty easy to take this thing apart. I'm going to have to re-Loctite everything and put it back together, because apparently they didn't use any. Thank you. Hope you like it. Hope this helps. If you got to tear it apart, it's pretty simple. You can do it.